Right. So for the first one, guys, 2y plus 2x is equal to 5. Talia, you with me as well? Tajan, you with me?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
All
Yes.
right. So guys, you want to make y the subject here. So we're gonna get 2y is equal to 5 minus 2x, and then we're going to get y is equal to 5 over 2 minus 2x over 2. But clearly these two will cancel, so I'm gonna get y is equal to 5 over 2 minus x. Why did I ask you this, guys? I actually asked you this because this is putting the equation into the form y is equal to mx plus c. So long story short, guys, you cannot have a straight line without this formula. This is how all lines are supposed to be set up in that form. Y is equal to mx plus c. Any straight line, whether going upwards or downwards, this is the general formula for the straight line. Y is equal to mx plus c. Where the number in front of the x, in this case, -1 is the gradient, the m, and c is the y-intercept. So that's why I'm asking you to do it, because yesterday I did a question with Nathan too, and Nathan was saying, sir, I'm not really understanding how you put it into the form y is equal to mx plus c. Nathan, you understand it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because it's very simple. Just because you see this doesn't mean it's not a straight line. It is. You just need to put it in the form y is equal to mx plus c, meaning you need to put it in the form y is equal to whatever, meaning that you need to make y the subject of the formula. That's all you need to do for this coordinate geometry type question. That's all you really need to do, you know? So I'm just trying to show you, if you see something like this, and then they ask you what's the gradient, don't worry, just make y the subject, and then whatever is in front of the x is a gradient. You know, don't make this frighten you. I don't think it should frighten anybody related to coordinate geometry. You know, you just need to make y the subject. So anytime you see something like this, guys, with a coordinate geometry question, where they have a graph and stuff, and they're asking you for the gradient and all these stuff, just put it in that form. Make y the subject of the formula. You feel me? sorry to be so combative today, guys. I just want to make sure you guys get it.
Right,
Because
I'll
it's really
switch
not
it
so
to.
hard.
That's why I said I'll switch it to minus x plus 5 over 2 to get to y equals mx plus c.
Yeah,
Sorted.
you can say y is equal to minus x plus 5 over 2. But either way, you still should know that whatever is in front of this x is the gradient, and this is the y-intercept, the 5 over 2, right? So cool. So Tajan, is it making sense to you? I hope it is. Nathan, it should make sense
Yes,
to you.
sir.
So it's kind of simple, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Cool. Boom. So we did finish the first one. The first one is not bad at all. When we put it in the right form, when we make y the subject to the formula, y is equal to minus x plus 5 over 2 for the first one. So I'm going to move on to the good job, Trey. Good job, Talia. Good job, Nathan. Good job, Tajan. Talia, you sure you understand? You getting the gist of what I'm saying?
Yes, sir, I'm sure.
All right, nice. So let me go on to Raquan, Nikolai, Ariana, Michaelia. Did you guys make y the subject here? 3x plus 4y is equal to 3. Did you make y the subject? Nikolai? Raquan? Hey guys, you good? Raquan? You good, bro? Where are you guys? Raquan, where are you? I'm here. So talk to me, Raquan. You worked it out? Should be really simple. Nikolai, you worked it out? Did you make y the subject? Y is equal to -2. I don't know how you keep getting that, Raquan. Let's do it together. Ariana, I hope you're with me as well. Ariana, are you with me? I hope so. Nikolai, Everything all right, man? Guys, I don't like talking to myself. Come on, guys. Michaela, are you with me? So guys, I don't know what's wrong with this group, but let's work this out, guys. It's kind of really simple. We need to make y the subject. So 4y is equal to 3 minus x, sorry, minus 3x. Then we should get y is equal to 3 over 4 minus 3 over 4x. And this should be okay, right? We divided the right side by 4. And we end up with this. So if I'm supposed to put it in the form y is equal to mx plus c, this is it. Y is equal to minus 3 over 4x plus 3 over 4. And this is in the same form, y is equal to mx plus c. Cool. So Raquan, you get what I'm saying now? I don't know how you got y is equal to minus 2. I'm not really understanding what you did there. You just need to make y the subject. Making sense to you now, Raquan? Hello. Yep, okay, cool. Nikolai. Not really hearing you, man. Not hearing Nikolai, not hearing Ariana. Kind of concerned. Michaela, I can understand because you came right in the middle, so he didn't really get what I was saying. But guys, come on, pay attention. Pay attention, guys. So that should be the answer for you guys, if you make y the subject. Regardless, once you make y the subject, you should be able to find your gradient and your y-intercept. Cool. So let me move on to the last set now. Move on. I hope you guys not sleeping. You guys okay? Everything all right, guys? I know you guys have a lot of stuff going on, so just checking on you guys. And then let's move on to Deshaun. Deshaun, you tried it, Jaden, Romario?
Yeah. Yeah, so 2 over 5 x plus 2.
I'm to you, Raquan. You all right, man? All right, so Deshaun.
Yeah. So yeah, 2 over 5 x plus 2.
All right, so let me help you out. So all you need to do is make y the subject, guys. So you're supposed to get 5y is equal to minus 4 minus 2x. Cool. And you're supposed to get y is equal to negative 4 over 5 minus 2 over 5x. Cool. Meaning you divide both of them by 5. And that's what you should get. Kind of simple. It's not too bad, guys. Every part hurts. No, from sleeping bad. Sorry to hear. Marquand, maybe you need to do some stretching, you know. So this is what you should get, guys. And then if you write it in the form y is equal to mx plus c, you should get negative 2 over 5 minus 4, negative 2 over 5x minus 4 over 5. And that's in the same form y is equal to mx plus c. Cool. So Deshaun, you understand? Making sense?
Yes, sir.
All right, Jaden, making sense?
Yes, sir.
All right, Romario, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, nice. So it's not too bad, guys. I'm just trying to say that.
Wait, sir,
Go
I have
ahead.
a question. Why did you switch the 2?
Why did
at
I
the bottom?
switch? Which 2?
You have y is equal to negative 4 over 5, and at the bottom you have negative 2 over 5, like you switched them.
I did?
Yeah, look, the last 2, they're not in the same order coming down.
Meaning the order. I changed the order, you mean?
Yeah, it was.
The reason
did
why
you
I
have a
changed the
reason?
order is because I'm trying to put it in this form. Y is equal to mx plus c. So that's why I just changed the order. I can leave it this way, you know, as long as you know that this is the gradient and this is the y-intercept, you know. But the general form for a line is always y is equal to mx plus c. So that's why I put negative 2 over 5x here minus 4 over 5. because this is the mx and this is the plus c. The negative 4/5 is a plus c. Make sense?
Definitely.
So I just changed the order. That's all I did. They're just, this and this are the same thing. This line here and this line here, they're the same, but this is the general formula, so I want it in to look that way. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. So guys, that's the whole equation of a straight line thing. This is how you want it to look. It's always in that form. And cool.
So
I think
it's literally just making y the subject.
Yeah.
That's all it is. That's all it is. Just making y the subject.
yes, a lot of times they might give you
Isn't it by
this.
itself?
They might give you this here, guys, and say find the gradient. And you say backside, how I find it? It's kind of simple, guys. Just make y the subject. Same thing here. They might give you this, guys, and say find the gradient. How? Make y the subject. Same here.
Oh, so you're just trying to replicate the formula.
Yes, you have to replicate the formula to find the gradient. You have to put it in, you have to make y the subject to find the gradient. Make sense?
Gradient is mx.
Yes, the gradient is the m. M is always the gradient.
Oh,
So the number in front of the x, the negative 2/5, that's the gradient for the line.
well, now you make it seem easy when it's complicated.
It is much easier than it look. It really is.